Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Fun, okay? And I hope you like that thumbnail for the special because it took a really long time. It took like 9 hours. No, not 9 hours, but actually like a couple hours. And you can anyway. So we're playing Don't Press the Button, and I will press the button either way. So yeah, we're just playing. So tsunami incoming. Okay, give me that jump. Give me. Okay. Oh no. I think I can survive. I mean, I guess. Oh no. No. No! So close. Anyway, do speak. No, yeah. You deserved it. Oh, cool. Money. No, I died. Yeah, you deserved it. Yet. Also, yes. Also, everyone sub and hit the notification bell. Because you're a filthy mutt, and if you don't, I hate you. Select them gems like nothing. Oh, let me press the button. Let me press it. My button. Hey, I pressed it. That literally did nothing except make this world bigger. Yes, like too. Get out of the way, you filthy girl. I want to comment what Luke next. Yeah. Yes. See, Do knows where it's at. Okay. Oh wait, there's a fern. Aww. That we can't get into. Oh, whoopsie. Ha. Were you about to say ha? I hope you feel pain. Get crushed. Get crushed. Aw, Doji, I love you, Doji. Mwah. Such a dead meme, though. Mwah. No, stay on. No, I love you, Dojies. I know, I'm not gonna lie, Doge were like the best meme for me. I love dogs. Wait, a Doge. It's still alive. Oh my god. No, don't hit the Doge. I will protect you, Doge. Never mind, Doge. Sorry. No, Doge. Why did everyone jump off? Jerk. Yeah. Click down on the green platform. Haha, idiot. I want to press the button. I want to press it. Me. Okay, come on, dude. We can survive this. If I can survive this, you probably can't because I'm way better than you at all these. No! Oh, I'm screwed. I'm screwed over. Yep. Goodbye, world. Goodbye. I will survive that one day. Oh, ew. I have to... I want that money. Give me that hot chocolate. Oh, okay. Bye, dude. Bye. Bye, dude. No. The tornado loves me. No, tornado, no, don't love me. Tornado don't love me. The epic side, tornado doesn't love me. I think they're about to play. Oh, we're playing Sleeve. Good luck, dude. Goodbye, dude. What? I think I was playing some controversial. I didn't get why we were supposed to do. What do you mean? It looks like he's trying to make like something. Like a Waddle Dee turned. No, I want to press it. My button. Yeah, I pressed it. Wow. Dude, you're dead. Goodbye, dude. You're dead. Haha, dude. You died. Aha. You dance. Aha. Oh, cool. Money. Shut up. Do. I just respawned too. You see me complaining. Hey, give me all those ones. Hey, why can't I get them? Give me that coin. Give me that diamond. Okay. Woo! I almost fell off. Boring. Oh, But this, I bet you it's gonna be like our color. It's gonna be us. Baidu! Haha. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm so dead. I'm just gonna go on. I'm gonna die. No, I knew it! Rigged. Rigged. Yep, rip me. Who's playing that before I can kill them? Can I kill whoever's playing that? Give me the epic though. Oh, this is so beautiful. Mine, I press it. No, I mean. Goodbye, dude. Oh, no. Dude, no! Why didn't you die? Goodbye, dude. No. You love me. Goodbye. Goodbye, dude. I love that. No, I have the epic duck. Haha, I didn't die once. You suck. You're trash. Wait, what? No, I can't die. Wait, that's team. Wait, dude, where are you? Wait, dude, you're... Goodbye. No! Oh, hell nah. Aw. Pakistan does not approve of this torture. What? Oh! No! Press the button! Press it again! No! I got baited! Win for me, too. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. Me and Mr. Krakenson is still alive. Maybe me and just Sport Kid. No! No! It loves me. Mr. Epic. No, Mr. Epic Duck does not approve! No! I was so close. Mr. Duck did not approve of my death. Mr. Duck. Oop! They're dead. Okay, let's press the button. Oh, no! Bye, dude. Okay. Found it. What? I found it. No. I found it. She followed me. That jerk. What? How am I supposed to make that? Whatever, I'm dead. That's rigged. I hate you, dude. Oh, let's go. Whee! No, Mr. Krakenson, please. Mr. Krakenson, please. No. Oh, he got pooped out straight up. No! Why did you kill me? Oh, wow. I'm getting severe. Look at everyone getting pooped out. Now you press it. No. Sport Kid's mine. My bad. I pressed it, idiot. Oh, I mean, it already made me kind of look fat, so I mean, like, wow, dude, you're a little fat. Little dude, you're a little big. Oh, no, dude, we need to survive. Just look out, look out. Your fat body might not take this. Ah! Haha! Haha! Yeet. Bye, sister! Bye. Get her! Yes, queen! They didn't change anything about me. Oh, wait. What? Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh no. What the heck? It wouldn't let me get up there. Trash. It's trash. Yep, rip you. I just gotta be. And you. Yep, rip me. BS though. I should have survived that. Yeah, that's your excuse, idiot. I passed it, idiot. Kick is a lie. Hey, I mean, I was already there, so. Hey, Jason, where are you gonna find that button stealing hog? Found the button. Haha, I found it, idiots. Haha. I found it. Found it. Trash. I'm gonna get some. Did you die? Dude, did you really die? Wow, you really died. Tisk. Oh, this is easy. Obby? Nobody cares English. Shut up. You're stupid. Shut up. Shut up, idiot. Shut up. You're trash. Yes, me and this dude are actually good. Shut up. Spy. No one cares about you anyway. What? The ladder didn't work! That's BS. I deserve to be up there. Trash. Idiots. Losers. No, don't save it. Don't save it. No, don't. Don't do it. Don't. We don't want. Yes, let it explode. We can. Oh. We all lost. Is Duke still alive? I kind of regret saying don't. Oh, yes, I'm serious. It's been around 14 minutes. I think we can get out of here. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe because our next goal is 30 subscribers. And it would mean a total lot of me. And anyway, do hold the gun up to your head. Do you have anything to say? Shut up, spy. No one cares. Anyway, this body right here. Body about to kill us all. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment what we should do next. Woo! Bye!